Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're heading down to Mike's Meat. We've did a video on them already, and I like their food. So I'm gonna head down there and we're going to get some food. So see you guys when I get there. We're still on the way to Mike's Meat. I want you guys to take in this view. This is the back country. Alright guys, once more we're at Mike's Meat and we're about to go in and see what they have on the menu today. Okay, you got the barbecue ribs, you got chicken wings, you got breastless chicken, and you got the beef ribs. They also have their merchandise. All right, folks.
Happy New Year's out there.
There you go.
Getting a little bit beat up today. It's a good thing though. Blowing out some barbecue. A lot of prime rib going out the door. Anyway, good. Please see you back out here.
What do you have on the menu today?
We've got a special of prime rib that we're pushing out today. That's all been spoke up for. Otherwise, it's like all our normal. The baby back ribs, pulled pork, got a brisket, got our chicken.
All right.
All sorts of good sides today.
All right. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right.
You know what size you want? We have a
You know what? Got some, oh yeah, we just pulled that. That's a replacement fan right there. Yeah, that's full quarter. Wow, yeah, we'll do it.
Let Mr. Mike cook.
Look at it. There you go.
Don't let these beef ribs fool you. These are great here.
Now, how many
Being honest.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Come on, Tori, be famous. Get up there.
Talk to
It's
me.
a great place.
There you
Come
go.
and see us at Smokin Mike's on Price Road.
That's what I'm talking about.
Come on down to
Couple of
Smokin'
dog
Mike.
bones along. Hey, honored to have you stopping by again. Appreciate you. We'll keep up with you, and I want to hear more about that oxtails competition. Happy New Year.
All right, all right, guys. This is what we got from Mike's Meat. You got the chicken wings. You got blueberry cobbler. You got greens over here. Over here you have beef ribs. This is the barbecue boneless chicken plate. So I'm gonna enjoy. So thank you guys for watching, and go check out Mike's Meat in Gainesville, Georgia.